In the Western North region, 11 schools grouped into two contests competed in the regional qualifiers. And for the first time in several years, the region got two schools to represent them at the 2020 edition of the National Championship.
Sefibekwa SHS, Bodi SHS, and Bia SHTS. A round of applause for our contestants. The National Science and Maths Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service with support from Dando Milk and Joy News. This is a primetime production.
The first round of the first contest was quite slow, as all the contestants missed most of their major questions, as well as bonus questions.
Mention the phase. This is a preamble to all of us, in fact. Mention the phase of the cell cycle where the following major events take place. So here also, the disintegration of the nuclear membrane, one attempt.
Sir, please, the nucleus.
Bonus. The answer is prophase. I'm giving you a description and you have to give me the phase where this description occurs. Jaboso. The appearance of the nucleolus. Come. What?
Metaphase.
Bonus. So he also is ready.
Anaphase.
What?
Anaphase.
I'm sorry, -1. The answer is actually telophase. Telophase. Then I'm going to division of centromere. You had attempted the microphone. Go ahead.
Anaphase.
What?
Anaphase.
That is the answer. So you be quiet. Synthesis of DNA. Come.
Mesophase.
Bonus. It's actually the interface. The interface. Body. Frank and Alice. The centromeres of the chromosomes convene at the equatorial plate. Frank, you have an answer? Go ahead.
Metaphase.
That is correct. Isaka and Idris, Bia. The small nuclear vesicles in the cell begin to reform around the group of chromosomes at each end. What?
Prophase.
Bonus. It's actually the telophase. Telophase. In this round, you can press the bell.
In the second round, only Bia Senior High Technical School managed to answer some of the questions correctly.
It will be the quizmaster himself or your competitor. Distinguish between the alloys brass and bronze. Bia.
Brass is composed of copper and zinc, and bronze is composed of copper and tin.
Copper and
Tin.
Tin.
that is correct. You have 3 points. A JSS student added urea to a potted flowering plant for it to grow faster, but the plant died some weeks after. What can be the cause of death? Beer.
Salt has the concentration of urea is more than that of the plant. The plant is a hypotonic. The solution in plant is hypotonic. So therefore, when the urea is added on the plant, water was drawn from the plant to the surroundings.
I will accept that for 3 points.
Unlike the first two rounds, the third round of the contest went quite well for all the schools.
And I'm starting from Nana Brain 2. Nana Brain 2. 200 centimeters cube of 0.0500 mole per dm cube HCl solution has the same pH as 100 centimeters cube of 0.100 solution.
False.
You are right. A solution of pH 0 does not exist.
False.
Alice, you are right. An HCl solution with a concentration of 1 times 10 to the power negative 8 mole per dm cube is likely to be alkaline. It's available, and Sevioso is interested.
It's true.
Oh dear me, -1 is a false statement. Ammonia and aniline have pKb values of 4.76 and 9.40 respectively. This implies that the anilinium ion is a better acid than the ammonium ion. Yes. True. You are right. Dimethylamine is a weaker base than methylamine.
It's true.
-1.
That was an unfortunate
On
one.
the first clue, you have 5 points. On the second clue, 4 and 3 on any other clue thereafter. I am an operation on functions. I am one of the 2 pillars of calculus. I turn a cubic function into a quadratic. Sevioso.
Differentiation.
3 points. I am an inflammable liquid. I am an inflammable liquid. I am one of the 2 organic compounds closely associated with a petroleum product. The way I burn is of both academic and practical interest to petroleum engineers. Indeed, I am given a rating of 100 based on my combustion characteristics in internal combustion engines. When the scale reads 0, I am supposed to have been transformed into N-heptane. N-heptane. Who am I?
Ethane.
What?
Ethane.
No, please. Still available for 3. No deduction here. Unfortunately, this sounded before yours. Come with your answer anyway.
1 pentane. 1
One-
heptane.
1-heptane is not correct. It is 2,2,4-trimethyl pentane or isooctane. That brings us to the end of the contest.
And that was how Bia Senior High Technical School bounced back after several years of being absent from the national championship.
Juaboso 9.
Congratulations on winning your contest.
Sevioso 20. BRSHTS 25 points. This contest features
The second contest of the day was very competitive.
SHTS,
Let's see how it went.
So SHS, Nsarura Community SHS, and Sehuyosho SHTS. A round of applause for our contestants.
The first round was a very close one, as it ended with very small score margin.
State whether the following are external or internal structures of the mammalian eye. I'm going to give you a structure that has something to do with the mammalian eye, and you indicate if it's an external structure or an internal structure. As I so, the lens,
Internal.
internal, you are right. Bibiani, retina,
Internal.
right. That is so. Aqueous humor, aqueous humor. Aqueous humor, A-Q-U-E-O-U-S. Humor, H-U-M-O-U-R.
Internal.
Internal. 3 points. Nsara, cornea. Cornea.
Internal.
No, sir. It is external. Serioso. Iris.
Internal.
I'm sorry. External.
The second round was neither here nor there, as all the schools answered some questions correctly, but lost about half of their accrued points answering some of the questions wrongly.
Any two of the cellular components of blood. Number 4, Sarah.
Red blood cell and white blood cell.
3 points. Which of the elements, nitrogen and oxygen, has the lower first ionization energy? As I went so.
Nitrogen.
What?
Nitrogen.
-1. Zara,
Oxygen.
2 points. What is the importance, this speed round, what is the importance of vacuoles in plant cells? Bibiani,
Vacuole stores waste substances in the plant cell.
next answer. I'll take it from Sefi Yoso SHTS.
For the storage of food substance.
For the storage of
Food substance.
-1. They maintain the trigger pressure against the cell wall and thereby maintaining the shape of the cell as well as cell fluid balance. That would have given you 3 points. In this event, -1 each. Which modified part of ginger is edible? Say we also SHTS.
The stem.
Why not? 3 points.
The third round was the highlight of the contest, as all the schools tried their best to oust their contenders. At the end of the round, Nzara Edumafa Senior High School and Sefirioso Senior High Technical School were tied at 18 points, while Asawensu Senior High School and Bibiani Senior High Technical School were tied at 15 points.
True. You are right. Zara, in addition to growth by cell division, a plant may grow through cell elongation. True. Thank you. 2 points. Seriously. When cells on one side of a stem grow longer and faster than cells on the other side, the stem bends to the side of the faster growing cells.
It's false.
It is false, you're right. Plant growth and development are mediated by specific plant hormones and plant growth regulators.
True.
It is correct. Bibiani, plant structures, including roots, buds, and shoots that develop in unusual locations, are called adventitious.
True.
You are right. That is so. The power of a convex spherical mirror equals the reciprocal of the object distance.
True.
I'm sorry. Zara, the power of a convex spherical mirror equals the reciprocal of the image distance.
False.
You are right. So, the power of a convex spherical mirror equals the product of the object and the image distances.
It's false.
It is false. You are right. Asarinso, the power of a convex spherical mirror equals the sum of the object and the image distances.
That's a false statement.
That is a false statement. You're right. Bibiani, the power of a convex spherical mirror equals the product of the reciprocals of the object and the image distances. False. You're right. 4 riddles. First clue, 5 points. There are 2 of us like Tom and Jerry, or sequence and series. I am the Lotto professor, or I am the Lotto professor's arithmetic of choice. Sefirioso.
Permutation and commutation.
Permutation and computation. What is that one?
Permutation and combination.
Let us continue in our Lotto business. Oh, Asawinso.
Modulo.
What?
Modulo arithmetic.
Modulo arithmetic. Let's continue. My name's. Oh, okay. Who is number 3?
Differentiation and integration.
What?
Differentiation and integration.
All right, let's continue. My name suggests I combine nations. I am involved in selection.
Combination.
I have not called you. You are right. Combination. All animals except sponges and placozoans have us. But we are absent in other multicellular organisms such as plants. We are typically classified into 3 types based on our function. We respond to stimuli such as touch, sound, as Sawinso.
Tropism.
What?
Tropism.
Tropism. Number 5. Say you also.
Thermotropism.
Thermotropism. Did anybody attempt it? Okay, let's continue. We respond to stimuli such as touch, sound, or light that affect the cells of the sense. Sarah.
Sensory nerves.
At this point, Bibiani Senior High Technical School had garnered 18 points to be at par with Nzara Idumafa Senior High School and Sefirioso Senior High Technical School.
Bibiani.
And he who laughs last, laughs best.
Thank you. At the end of the contest, Dadieso SHS has 11 points. Asawinso SHS has 15 points. And Sarah has 18 points. Sehuyosho SHTS also has 18 points. And then the Bibiani.
Congratulations to
SHS,
BBNE Senior High Technical School. Together with BIA Senior High Technical School, they will represent the Western North region at the National Championship. We wish them well.